Welcome back, friends. You watching on a series of MATLAB Simulink. This is the second lecture of the series, in which we will learn single and three-phase supply waveform using MATLAB Simulink. We are familiar that a single-phase supply waveform, it's sinusoidal nature. You see that one. For a sinusoidal waveform, there will be a amplitude, there should be a frequency, there should be a time. And amplitude here is amplitude 1. Now we are going to the MATLAB Simulink. Now we open the MATLAB Simulink button, Simulink box. Now then we can save as MDL file and Simulink 2. That's Simulink 002. Now what I am going to do, I am going to make a model for a sine wave generator. Now what I am going to do, I am going to the library browser and I take the source as a sine wave, what we do last time also. And sine wave, there will be some property sine wave. Once you double click the sine wave property, there is a property window will be open. That property window, it is clear that OT is equal to, there is a properties amplitude of and sine, frequency is there, phase is there, and bias is there. And we are applying to amplitude as 50, and frequency, you can see that frequency is given in the radian per second, that is radian. I can put it 2 into pi into frequency I am putting as 5, and phase I am keeping as same, and phase and sample time I am going to give 1 e raised to minus 3. And here you can see that sine type is two types. That one is time based one and sample based. Either we can go for time based also, we can go for sample based also. Now I am going to time based, and time you can see using the simulation time or use external signal. Either you can use simulation time in Simulink or use an external signal for a simulation. I here using the simulation time. Now next you want to show the output of the sine wave. For showing this one, then again I am going to the Simulink library browser. Then I take the sync and I put a scope here. Then I connect the scope. It is now our model is clear. It is ready. Now model is ready, and now I am going to run the simulation. Once it is run, then if you are going for this scope button, you will get a sine wave. You can see that there is a lot of sine wave is there. If you want to see clearly, because it is showing on up to 10 time waves, 10 seconds. Then if you want to go clearly, just you go to this button and zoom X button and click here to zoom it. You can get the sine wave here. Now you can go sine wave waveform in the scope. Now next we are going to how we can make a three-phase waveform. For that one, you want to know the three-phase waveform. We are familiar that there is a three-phase waveform also in L1, L2, L3 or R1, R2, R3. Each phase will be 120-degree phase shift. Here, first waveform will be starting from 0, second waveform will be starting from 120, third waveform will be starting from 240. Okay. Now we are going to Simulink. Same we are using here. Here we need actually 3 numbers of waveform. What we are going to do, just we copy the same sine wave. So copy this one and I am going to paste it here. Second waveform, we want to need one more waveform. One more we are going to paste it here. Now we got three numbers of waveform, and first waveform, it is commonly it is a 50 bias is there, and I'm taking the frequency as 2 pi infrared. Phase is in radian, not in degree. It is in radian. Initial phase is 0. I kept it as 0. Balance everything is same. For second waveform, what I am going to do, I change the phase shift as 120 degree. That is 2 pi by 3. 2 into pi divided by 3. Okay, and third waveform I am putting as phase degree 4 pi by 3, that is 240. 4 pi by 3. Now our 3 waveform is here, clear. Now what we want to do, we want to show this 3 waveform in a scope. Now scope is only one input. What we will go to, we will go to the number of signal and port. Number of port we will change as 3. Okay, and what we will do, we will connect each and every port waveform to here. Then we will go for simulation. Now the simulation is finished, then we will get the waveform. Now we can go for the scope. You can see this waveform is what I will do, I will show you to this page again, and what I am going to do, when I zoom in just a particular portion, now you can see you will generate the sinusoidal wave. Suppose if you want to see this each and every sinusoidal wave in separate scope, you do one thing, you go to the settings button and take this one and you take as a 3 separate waveform. Once you are selecting like this, it will become 3 separate waveform. One waveform is starting with 0, second waveform and third waveform, and this separate waveform we will get. This is all for this video. We will see for the next video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel, and we will see for the next video. Thank you.